Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be making seafood okra in my own way, because I don't want anybody to say you did not do it like this, you did not do it like that. In my own way, and it's the best way. Yeah, argue with your keyboard. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have some okra, I have some sweet chili pepper, and I will also be adding frozen habanero pepper because I'm the only one that gets to eat this at home. So I will have to spice it the way I want. I don't want anybody to tell me you did not add crabs. Please add crabs to your own, okay? Yeah. I have some seasoning cube and some crayfish over here. And I also have some dry catfish over here. And I have some fresh prawns. And I also have palm oil. I have some salt. And I have some big prawns. It looks like this. You can also call it big crayfish like I told my kids. So I'll be cutting this off camera, and I'll also be pounding the cubeb seed and the ogiri off camera. I also have some onion and cooked stockfish. I've already added fresh mackerel fish, and I follow it up with cooked stockfish and the big shrimps or the big crayfish. I will add small shrimps as well, just like so, and I will add washed catfish, dry catfish. I will follow it up with some onions, and I will also be adding some seasoning cube. I try to use my finger and crush this, but it's not working, so I just added it that way. Added a little bit of salt, and I follow it up with some water, at least to the level of the protein you are using. Remember, we are cooking seafood okra, so that's why I did not put any meat inside. Then I cover the pot and cook for at least 10 minutes. Then I will take off the big prawns or the big shrimps, call it whatever you want. I don't want it to overcook because I still be adding it. Then I will take out the mackerel fish or the fresh fish because I don't want this to break. Then I will continue cooking the stockfish and the shrimps, the small shrimps. It takes a longer time to cook. I will cook this for more 20 minutes. Then while doing that, I'll be pounding the cubeb seed, that is uziza seed, and ogiri seed. Then while doing that, I've also blended or chopped the okra by the side. So the remaining one, I'm doing it already, and it looks like this. This is the way that I want it, roughly chopped. And also the chili pepper, I have roughly chopped it as well. So I'm done cooking the stockfish. So inside my pot, I added palm oil, I sauteed the onion, then I added the chili pepper, then I start stirring it, fry for at least 10 minutes while stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Then I will be adding some of the uziza seed and the ogiri seed that I pounded earlier. Now I follow it up with the okra, and I cut the okra in two batches, the one that I roughly chopped and the one that I cut in big chunks because I want to be chewing it as I'm eating the soup. So I will keep stirring the okra. I will fry it for at least 5 minutes. Make sure not to leave it unattended so that it doesn't burn, especially depending on the kind of pot you are using. This kind of pot, it burns very quickly, so I will keep on stirring it. And after like 5 minutes, I added the meat broth with the stockfish and the shrimp, added water to loosen it up. Then I will throw in the proteins. The first thing I added was the shrimp. Then I allowed it to cook for at least 2 minutes to soak up the juice from the soup. I will add more water because I feel that it is still a bit thick. Then I will be adding the remaining chili pepper that I kept. I preserved this to add it at last so that it will add the popping color to the soup. Then I added some crayfish and some salt. I will stir and check for salt. Meanwhile, I'm so sorry for not uploading video for a while. I'm so busy with my schoolwork, but I've decided that this weekend will not pass me by, that I must upload video no matter what it takes. So I will be checking for salt, and I will add a little bit of salt. You can now add back the cooked fish, but be careful not to break it. Then after adding it, I will cover and cook for a while, for at least 2 to 3 minutes, because I want it to also soak up the water or the juice from the soup. Then after 3 minutes, I will stir it gently. I will use the back of the spoon to stir it so that I will not break it. I will make sure that I immerse all the fish inside the soup. After putting the fishes under, then I will test again for salt to be sure that everything is okay before taking it out. Then I will cover for the last time for a minute. Then my soup is ready. I'll be dishing it out, and sit back, don't go anywhere, because we are going to be eating this together. Grab your spoon, grab your fufu, let's eat together. Please make sure you like my video, share and subscribe. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this extent, you are the real G, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you always. Please like, share my video and subscribe if you've not done that. And the taste is so good and yummy. I even lost my manners when eating. I forgot I was eating in the public because it was so good. I was eating with both my hands, my left and my right hands, because this kind of food I cannot use one hand though. I beg go. Thank you so much, guys. Bye, and see you in my next video. This one is for you. Just take a look, take a look, take a look. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh my god, I don't want to end this video, like seriously. I just want to be here ranting. But yeah, I got to go. Ndị Igbo wee sị ọbịala ije nwụna. So I have already packed the soup, the remaining one in a plate, and I will be freezing it. Bye till I see you in my next video. Ciao.